To make an origami turtle, first fold a square piece of paper in half diagonally. Then rotate the paper so the long side of the triangle is at the bottom. Fold the bottom right corner up to the top corner. Then do the same with the bottom left corner. Next, fold the top corner of the right flap down to the bottom corner. Repeat with the top corner of the left flap. Fold the right flap to the right, then fold the left flap to the left. Now rotate the paper 180 degrees so the flaps are at the top. Lift up the upper layer at the bottom corner of the paper and use scissors to cut from the bottom corner to the center of the paper. Fold the bottom left and right flaps so they match the flaps at the top. Fold the top point down, then fold it back up, leaving a small gap so there's a pleat. Fold the left and right edges towards the center. Finally, turn the paper over and fold it in half lengthwise to make your turtle look three-dimensional.